Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic. What is life according to Stoic philosophy? If you've ever wondered how ancient Stoics viewed life and how those ideas can be applied today, stick around. We're going to break it down in simple terms. Let's get started. First things first, let's talk about what Stoicism is. Stoicism is a philosophy that started in ancient Greece around 300 BC, and it was founded by a philosopher named Zeno of Citium. Its main goal is to help people live a life of virtue and inner peace by focusing on what they can control and accepting what they cannot. So, what does life look like through the Stoic lens? Here are 3 key ideas from Stoic philosophy that will give you a clearer picture. First up, the Stoics emphasize control and acceptance. According to Stoicism, life is all about understanding the difference between what you can control and what you can't. Think of it this way: you can control your actions, thoughts, and attitudes, but you can't control other people, the weather, or unexpected events. For example, if you're worried about a big exam, you can control how much you study and how well you prepare. However, you can't control the exam questions or how others will perform. By focusing on what you can control and letting go of what you can't, you reduce stress and find peace. Next, the Stoics believe in living in harmony with nature. But what does that mean? It's about aligning your life with the natural order of things and accepting the natural course of events. Think of it like this: just as trees grow and shed leaves according to the seasons, we too must adapt to the changing circumstances of our lives. By accepting and working with the flow of life, rather than fighting against it, we can achieve a sense of balance and contentment. Finally, the Stoics place a huge emphasis on virtue. For Stoics, living a good life means practicing virtues like wisdom, courage, justice, and self-discipline. These virtues are seen as the highest good, and they help us live in a way that's true to our nature and to others. By focusing on these virtues, Stoics believe we can live a meaningful and fulfilling life, regardless of external circumstances. It's about being the best version of yourself and contributing positively to the world around you. Alright, you might be wondering how this ancient philosophy applies to your life today. Well, Stoic principles can be incredibly practical. Here are a few ways you can apply them. Focus on what you can control. Stop stressing about things outside your control. Instead, put your energy into what you can influence, like your personal growth and how you react to challenges. Embrace change. Life is constantly changing. Embrace it as part of the journey and adapt with grace. Practice virtue. Strive to act with wisdom, courage, justice, and self-discipline in your daily life. This helps you build strong character and handle life's ups and downs with resilience. To wrap things up, Stoic philosophy teaches us to focus on what we can control, accept what we can't, live in harmony with nature, and practice virtue. By incorporating these ideas into our lives, we can find greater peace and fulfillment. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content like this. And if you have any questions or thoughts on Stoicism, drop them in the comments below. See you next time.